Okay, here's the thing about chasing greatness. It takes time. There are no shortcuts, no hacks or magic beans you can buy. You gotta put in the work and be consistent. And most of all, you gotta keep going, even when it gets hard. You know, when things don't go your way, when people doubt you, when you feel like giving up, you gotta push through, because greatness isn't a destination, it's a journey. But don't worry, my friend, because you're not alone on this path. We're all in this together. So let's get started and make greatness happen. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to the movement. If you've been here before, welcome home. We're glad to have you back. But either way, we're so excited to have you here with us today. On today's episode, we're going to be talking about 10 signs that you're getting closer to your purpose. Are you feeling lost and uncertain about your future? Do you feel like you just going through the motions day after day without any real direction or meaning? Well, you're not alone. Many people feel stuck and unsure of their life's path. But the truth is, you're always moving forward, whether you feel like it or not. The trick is to pay attention to the signs that indicate you're on the right track. In this video, we'll explore 10 subtle yet powerful signs that you're getting closer to your purpose. From sudden bursts of inspiration to unexpected opportunities, these signs can help guide you towards your true calling. So if you're ready to discover what's next in your journey, keep watching. Number 1, your mind is racing with new ideas. Are you constantly finding yourself flooded with new ideas and inspirations? Do you feel like your mind is working overtime, generating innovative solutions and creative concepts? This surge of mental activity could be a sign that you're on the verge of discovering your purpose. When you're aligned with your true path, your mind becomes a powerful tool for manifestation, helping you bring your dreams to reality. Embrace these ideas, explore them further, and allow them to guide you towards your purpose. Who knows, they may lead you to something truly extraordinary. 2, you feel an urgent desire to help others. Do you find yourself compelled by a strong urge to help and serve others? This sudden surge in empathy and desire to make a positive impact could be a sign that you're getting closer to your purpose. When you're on your purpose-driven path, your heart opens up and you feel a deep sense of responsibility to contribute to the world in a meaningful way. Channel this energy into acts of kindness, volunteer work, or pursuing a career that aligns with your values. By serving others, you'll not only bring happiness to their lives, but also fulfillment to your own. 3, you experience a surge of energy and enthusiasm. Do you feel a newfound surge of energy and enthusiasm that seems to defy explanation? When you're getting closer to your purpose, your body and mind become charged with excitement and motivation. This surge of vitality is a sign that you're stepping into your power and aligning with your true passions. Embrace this energy, use it to fuel your actions, and pursue the activities that ignite your spark. Remember, this enthusiasm is a compass guiding you towards the fulfilling life that awaits you. 4, you're attracting positive and supportive people. Have you noticed a shift in the type of people you're attracting into your life? When you're on your purpose-driven path, you become a magnet for positive and supportive individuals who share similar values and goals. These connections can provide guidance, encouragement, and opportunities that align with your purpose. Nurture these relationships, engage in activities that attract your ideal community, and be open to the new friendships that can support you on your journey. 5, you find joy in simple pleasures. Do you find yourself appreciating the simple pleasures in life with a newfound sense of joy and gratitude? This change in perspective could be an indication that you're getting closer to your purpose. When you're aligned with your true path, you begin to see the beauty in everyday moments and find contentment in the little things. Embrace this mindset, practice gratitude for the blessings in your life, and allow joy to guide you towards a more fulfilling and purposeful existence. 6, you feel a strong sense of personal growth. You're experiencing a period of significant personal growth and transformation. This journey of self-discovery and evolution could be a sign that you're stepping closer to your purpose. Embrace the challenges and opportunities for growth that come your way. Reflect on your values, beliefs, and goals, and allow this growth to shape you into the best version of yourself. Remember, every step towards personal growth brings you closer to living a life that is authentic and true to who you are. 7, you say yes to new opportunities and adventures. Are you finding yourself saying yes to new opportunities and adventures that you might have otherwise turned down? This willingness to embrace the unknown could be a sign that you re-expanding your horizons and opening yourself up to the possibilities that await you on your purpose-driven path. Trust your intuition, take calculated risks, and be open to the unexpected. You never know what amazing experiences and opportunities may come your way. Number 8, you feel a deep sense of inner peace and calm. Do you feel a growing sense of inner peace and calm amidst the chaos of everyday life? This sense of tranquility could be an indication that you're realigning with your purpose and finding your place in the world. When you're on your true path, there's a deep knowing that brings a sense of stillness to your soul. Embrace this inner peace, use it as a source of strength, and allow it to guide you towards a life that is both purposeful and harmonious. Number 9, you feel an unexplainable sense of knowing. Have you experienced moments where you have an inexplicable sense of knowing or certainty? This intuitive guidance could be a sign that you're getting closer to your purpose. Trust your gut feelings, follow your intuition, and allow it to lead you towards the opportunities and experiences that align with your true path. Your intuition is a powerful ally on your journey to discovering your purpose. Number 10, you feel more connected to your intuition. It's your intuition becoming stronger and more reliable. This heightened sense of inner knowing could be a sign that you're getting closer to your purpose. As you align with your true path, you'll find that your intuition becomes sharper, guiding you towards the right decisions and opportunities. Listen to your inner voice, trust your instincts, and allow your intuition to lead you towards a life that is authentic and fulfilling. So did you relate to any of the signs we mentioned in this video? Let us know in the comments below if you found this video helpful. Be sure to like and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.